We are Empire.
You are busy every day. Where are you now? I wanna hear you. Yes, I recognize you are very busy with your office. Friend to send me at least one emoji. Yeah. What about tonight? Remember we have our promise me. What about tonight? Remember me. Abitetse kumamagara nashize phone more than you. Ntahunda ndimo mutima wanje ntahunda ndimo. Yes, you are busy with your job. Don't forget the time for me. I'll be waiting just for you. Wherever you go. Yes, you are busy with your job. Don't forget the time for me. I'll be waiting just for you. Wherever you go. Of course I'm trying to overcome the situation. You're safe, you know now. Who wanna give you butterfly? Take my hand, follow me to the mountains so we can watch together the sunset. Singing for us this very love song, girl, good song, girl. Love melodies for you, just for you. Come close to me, yeah, baby. You made my day, honey. Yes, you are busy with your job. Don't forget the time for me. I'll be waiting just for you. Wherever you go. Yes, you are busy with